darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. This is a very interesting episode, and I must say I'm pretty honored. A wonderful Fumi Nation member. She is from Cameroon. Her name is Philomena, and she's a nun. And she reached out to me and said, Fumi, you have followers in Cameroon. You also have nuns. I was so humbled. I want to say, how are you, Philomena? And I want to send all of my love to all of the nuns. I don't know where my journey will take me in this life. But I wish, and I do hope, that I can come and visit you, Philomena, in Cameroon, and we can take pictures together with the other nuns. Thank you so very much. I went to Holy Child College, and some of our teachers were nuns. And so when you said that, it just took me all the way back. Anyway, she sent me a clip, as a lot of you do, and so I watched it, only to find out that there's a channel called One Health Thing on YouTube. And they had basically put all of my healthy eating, lifestyle, exercise, and everything all in one. That is their thing. They've got so many inspirational episodes of people that are in their 70s, in their 50s, 100 years old, 80 years old, that are very active, very mobile, very alert. And as a matter of fact, their milestones are coming up later on in their lives. And so they had put together this profile of me. Thank you very much. Thank you so very much. I want you guys to subscribe to them. I am subscribed to them, and it made me realize that, Fumi, you know what, keep on with the journey. And so many of you ask me about the eating and how do you do this and how do you look like that. They got it right, better than any episode that I have put together. One Health Thing put it together beautifully, about my sleep, about my eating, about my exercise, about drinking water, about the kind of exercise, because you know I told you I have hips. So what I do is that I'm on the treadmill, because that way I can combat the hips when I go onto the incline. Are we living and loving the dress? Maybe I should step back so you can see the fabulosity of it all. There you go. That's what it looks like. Are we living and loving? Very secretary-ish. I got this dress at a thrift store. Yes, I did. And it was a size 18. And I took it to my alterations lady, and she just cinched it in for me. And that is what we are working with. Do we live? Do we love? I love it, because we're coming to autumn, winter. So this is like a nice, gorgeous knit. And it's got this beautiful eyelet here, and then it's covered at the chest area. So yes, One Health Thing got it together, and I love it. If you keep on asking me, Fumi, how do you keep yourself looking together? And as you very well you know how I am with Healthy Hair Studio. I've taken out my braids. When I tell you my hair is thick, oh my God, I live and love it. And so for toning and all of that, I'm going to play the entire episode right here. They deserve the platform. They deserve all the flowers. They deserve all of the love. Thank you very much, One Health Thing. Thank you, and really inspiring me also to keep going, because I think from watching your other episodes, this is the ticket to long life. And I want to live long for Adrian. As you very well know, I had him when I was 49. I was pregnant at 48, and I gave birth to him at 49. And if I could live to 100, I would be so grateful indeed. And I think that this is the way to do it. Eat healthy, mind your business, eat your salads, have your nuts. I love nuts because they're good fats, and that's why you don't see the wrinkles. As you very well know, you've seen my mom, you've seen my dad. My father is a doctor, and he has always eaten healthy, and he's in his 80s, and he looks amazing and fantastic. And they were here and they walked everywhere from one station to the next, because he was always fit. And he ran track, my dad, 4x400. We ran 4x400 hurdles, my brother and I. And so just really a healthy lifestyle is the start to having a long life, I think. I really do think so. So thank you very, very much again, One Health Thing. I appreciate you. I'm going to play you here. I'm going to put the link down below for you guys. I am subscribed to you. Fumi Nation, subscribe, like this episode, share it, and share One Health Thing as well. You asked me all of the questions. They put it there for you. Okay, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Do you want to live long and look young? Listen to the story of Fumidesaluvold. She started eating 5 healthy foods and her health is better and her face is younger. I was surprised. In this video, I'll tell you what these foods are, as well as what other rules she follows. This information could change your life. Let's go. First rule. Sport. The first rule is sport. Fumi uses the treadmill to boost her workouts and engage in cardio. She also adjusts the incline to target her hips, buttocks, and thighs. This intensive approach helps her burn calories and build strength. As a result, she is able to reach her fitness goals and improve the tone and strength in her lower body. Fumi uses kettlebells effectively in her strength training routine. In her fitness plan, she handles the kettlebells skillfully, combining them into exercises that focus on strengthening and defining her thigh and gluteal muscles. The exercises involve deliberate motions and lifts with the kettlebell, targeting those muscle groups. With this approach, Fumi not only looks to shape and tone her thighs and glutes, but also to increase their strength and performance. This shows her determination to develop powerful lower body muscles through her strength training workouts. Fumi firmly believes in the importance of sticking to a regular workout routine as a cornerstone of her fitness journey. She commits to 5-6 days of exercise each week, showing her dedication to a healthy and active lifestyle. Fumi's dedication to her physical fitness is evident in her consistent workouts, giving her the ability to reach her fitness goals and lead a healthy and balanced life. Her structured and regular approach shows her commitment to overall well-being and is a testament to her sustained progress. Second rule, water. Fumi's second rule is to drink enough water. Water plays a key role in Fumidesaluvold's diet and overall health. When Fumi consumes enough water, she keeps her body hydrated, helping all organs and systems to function properly. Lack of water can cause fatigue, dry skin, and stomach problems. Water is also essential for digestion. Fumi's meals are diluted and their digestion is improved when she drinks water, preventing constipation and improving nutrient absorption. Drinking water also boosts metabolism, allowing her body to use energy more efficiently and even burn calories, which aids in weight management. Additionally, enough water keeps Fumi's skin moisturized and healthy, preventing wrinkles and other skin issues. Drinking water is also beneficial for her mental health and overall well-being, helping her fight fatigue, remain mentally clear and alert, and feel more active. Third rule, healthy foods. Now, let's find out what foods she eats to stay so beautiful and young. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so as not to miss new informative videos. Salads. Salads are an integral part of Fumidesaluvold's diet, and she treats them with special attention. Fumi creates a wide variety of salads by adding ingredients like strawberries, tomatoes, cheese, and macrofish to create a yummy combination of flavors and textures. These ingredients are packed with vitamins and minerals that aid her diet. Strawberries contain vitamin C and antioxidants that boost immunity and protect cells, while tomatoes have vitamin A and potassium, which are good for eye and heart health. Cheese is a source of calcium and protein, and macrofish is full of essential fatty acids like omega-3. Fumi ensures her salads are packed with fiber from ingredients such as leafy greens, tomatoes, and strawberries. This beneficial substance normalizes digestion, keeps us feeling full, and regulates blood sugar levels. Fumi also enjoys creating salads that are both healthy and delicious, as the variety of flavors and textures keeps her excited about eating healthily. Yogurt. Fumidesaluvold includes yogurt in her diet, especially in her breakfast, and this has its own characteristics. Fumi enjoys the choice of using plain yogurt or a sugar-free option for her breakfast, as it allows her to control the sugar content. Regular yogurt provides a richer flavor, while sugar-free is more suitable for those who prefer a less sweet breakfast. Additionally, yogurt contains beneficial milk bacteria, such as probiotics, which can help improve digestion and support healthy gut flora, an important aspect of good health. Oatmeal with yogurt creates a creamy, richer texture, making a more satisfying breakfast. Yogurt provides additional benefits. It is a source of protein and calcium. Protein helps keep you full and aids in tissue repair, while calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. Nuts and seeds. Fumi also incorporates nuts and seeds into her diet. Fumi enjoys a selection of nuts, including salted peanuts, pistachios, and others. Peanuts and pistachios are especially beneficial, providing protein, healthy fats, and a salty flavor. Other nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are packed with protein and healthy fats, both important for muscle health and heart health. They provide a crunchy texture and deep flavor to Fumi's meals, contributing to the tastiness of salads and snacks alike. Soup. In the evening, Fumi enjoys a hot bowl of soup. Fumi's evening soup contains cauliflower for a mild, hearty base, broccoli for vitamins, minerals, and vibrant green color, peas for sweetness, and onions for savory depth. Hot sauce can add extra flavor and adjustable spice levels, as well as stimulating the palate. Nutritional benefits include vitamin C, K, and folate from cauliflower and broccoli, fiber and protein from peas, and antioxidants and flavor complexity from onions. Soup's comforting and filling nature creates a sense of relaxation and well-being when eaten at the end of the day. Oatmeal. Fumi's breakfast choice leans towards oatmeal, and she has particular preferences when it comes to this morning staple. Fumi chooses oatmeal that is free of added sugars and artificial preservatives for a healthier breakfast option. This helps avoid excess calories and sweetness. Oatmeal is a nutrient-rich grain with many benefits. It's packed with dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals like beta-glucans, manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which aid in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Fumi enjoys oatmeal for its filling and energy-sustaining properties. Oatmeal is packed with fiber, keeping her feeling full and preventing hunger. And since it is a complex carbohydrate, it will provide steady energy throughout the morning. Additionally, oatmeal can be easily personalized with a variety of toppings like fresh fruit, yogurt, or nuts to give it flavor and texture while providing a nutritious start to the day. Fourth rule, sleep. The importance of sleep to Fumidesaluvold is undeniable, as sleep plays a key role in her overall well-being and beauty. Fumi actively shoots videos and takes part in various projects, so quality sleep is necessary to recover her muscles and body. Sleep leads to body repair and regeneration, allowing her to stay fit and energetic. She also pays attention to skin care, as sleeping is essential for skin renewal and collagen production, keeping it firm and youthful. Poor sleep can cause dark circles and damage the skin. Fumi, a creative video blogger, requires mental clarity and creative ideas to stay productive and inspired. A night of sleep promotes information processing, brain function renewal, and emotional well-being, all of which help manage stress and maintain positive moods. Additionally, sleep promotes creativity and fresh ideas. Fumi often finds content inspiration while sleeping, making a good night's sleep essential for creating interesting and useful content for her audience. Fifth rule, Posi Thinking. The importance of positive thinking in Fumidesaluvold's life cannot be overemphasized, and it plays a crucial role in her success and well-being. Fumi's positive thinking helps her maintain good mental well-being, boosting her emotional resilience and reducing stress. This attitude also drives her motivation and commitment, fueling her belief in her abilities and sparking her desire to work towards success. Fumi's optimism and positivity serve as an example to others, inspiring them to see the good in the world and encouraging them to strive for their goals. Fumi's positive outlook boosts her creativity, enabling her to find unique ideas and solutions for her content. This also promotes her physical and emotional health, allowing her to live an active life and feel her best. Additionally, it helps her create engaging content that resonates with her audience. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. I recommend watch these videos and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.